Hey there, welcome to our channel Techies Guru. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how you can sign in into ING Bank online banking account. For that, simply you need to open up the web browser on your device. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. If this video is what you want to learn, then simply you need to watch the video till the end. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you open the web browser on your device, then simply you need to type in the URL ing.com.au and press enter in the keyboard. You will be access to this official page of the ING Bank online banking account, where on the top right corner you will see the login button. Simply you need to click on this login. Once you click on login, then you will be landed to this login page where you need to enter your client number using your keyboard, and on the second option here you need to enter your access code using the button below. And if you don't remember your access code, then here is the forgotten your access code link. By clicking on the forgotten your access code link, you can easily recover your access code by following the on-screen prompts. Once we have recovered the access code, then here is the login button. Simply by clicking on the login, you can easily log in to your ING Bank online banking account. If this video was useful for you, then don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe our channel for the further supports on this channel. Thank you.